everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. Today I just want to explain you a little bit about some of the designs we have with many back options. So imagine we have, for instance, 𝗲𝗁𝗁𝗁, and I will show you in detail on my table in just a few seconds the example for the 𝗲𝗁𝗁𝗁 bottom. But when we have a bottom and we have many different back options, we always need to have the same adjustment on the front pattern piece. So this means that when you buy a pattern with 4 back options, for instance, you will not only get 4 back options and 1 pattern piece for the front, you will also get different pattern pieces for the front of your bottom, or it would never fit you properly. So that's just, I don't know if this is something new for you or not, if you have any of our patterns with multi options for coverage on the back, but we just wanted you to know that this is how we do our patterns, how we design them. So watch this video until the end just to see an example on 𝗲𝗁𝗁𝗁 bottom, how we did it. And see you soon. Bye! So to explain you a little bit more, here on the table I have 𝗲𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗁 2.0. 𝗲𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗁 was recently updated, so this is the updated version of 𝗲𝗁𝗁𝗁. And we had before, anyway, we had front and back pieces, just like we have here. But what we did for the update is that we recurved the connections between the sides. So now you have perfect connections and you don't have sticky edges. And what we have when we have back options included. We also have swimsuits with different front options, so you really must see every pattern, because mainly every time we can and we think it's good, we include different hip options, different front coverages, back coverages, so you have a lot of options on our patterns. But for today's example, I want to show you 𝗲𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗁. And for instance, you have here 𝗲𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗁 front and back for the tiny option, but then you have the cheeky option, and on the cheeky option you have a higher and a lower option. So on the front you have a slight change on the center. So one is a little bit lower, one is a little bit higher. So you also have the front for the higher option and the front for the lower option. In this case, the back is not a lot different, but the side is a little bit different, so you also have the back included. And then you have the thong option, front and back. And I really want you to know that when you buy the patterns, you really must have all these options included, and I really advise you to choose the layer of your size and only print the layer of your size. If you don't know how to print, you have a YouTube tutorial on our channel on how to print by layers in your paper size, any paper you have at home. And I hope you are a little bit more aware now of all the options and how they work. So now you know how we design our multi-options coverage for our back pieces. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to leave your comments and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye!